Jamaica, the land we we're proud of with tasty food, with vibrant culture and rich heritage, is facing a silent but deadly crisis, We are talking about high blood pressure. It is also called hypertension and one of the leading causes of death and serious health complications, including stroke and heart attack. Yet, we not talk about it enough, and we not do enough about it, even though it mash up enough lives. In a 2020 alone, almost 7,500 Jamaicans suffer from stroke, with 2,400 losing their life, and the rest left with disabilities that need therapy. Stroke and hypertension not just affect the elderly, and not just old people, people of all ages. It even leads to maternal deaths, which make the situation even worse. But no make we accept it just so. We have to do something about it. Change start with the choices we make every day. So I really go on with hypertension. High blood pressure happens when the blood push too hard against your artery walls. Over time, the damage to your arteries lead to big problems like heart attack, stroke, and kidney failure. The scary part is that hypertension it don't really come with symptoms. You might feel perfectly fine when the pressure dead there and mash up your body. And that's why regular checkups and monitoring your blood pressure is crucial. But what makes so much Jamaicans have high blood pressure? It is like an epidemic. You know several people we say them high blood pressure and them have to take tablets. But we are treat the symptom and not the cause. And we are think about the outcome and not the reason. So let's talk about it now. Everybody know this one, yeah. The way we eat. Jamaicans love to season them food like them a season for the gods. But the salt intake are one big problem. And it's not just to cook food, it's not just to season them. Enough processed food full of sodium and unhealthy additives. Then snapbacks they were full up of the cheese snacks, the sugary drinks and other things. Them things are not good for your health, especially if you eat it in large quantities and every day. We need to start look for what we eat daily. Ask yourself, how much salt in this? And how much sugar? Now that's another topic that we're gonna do an entire video on. We're doing a series on high blood pressure. Now the next thing is lifestyle habits. Plenty Jamaicans now move like them used to. Sit down all day, not exercise. Plus I eat up bad food all pile up. Plus when you drink your rum and your soda, it not help the situation. So we need to move more. Instead of driving somewhere, what no? Take the bus, I know it's inconvenient for some people, but if you have to go somewhere like you park at work and you need to go somewhere and it's 15 minutes, you can walk. Because too much of we in our office a sit down and we not get up, we not be able to do a regular movements. We just there the office job so sit down. Plus I eat whatever forget which through the day. Now another thing will contribute to high blood pressure, medication and conditions. Some medication like painkillers and sinus meds can push up your pressure. And if you have diabetes, kidney disease, or thyroid problems, you're more at risk for hypertension. Now, the other one we're going to talk about is stress. Now, Jamaica nice, but sometimes life's so hard. The stress of the day-to-day struggle can affect your blood pressure too. So stress is something that you can't particularly identify sometimes, but a lot of people can feel it. So try to be as stress free as possible by managing your life and practicing some calming techniques when things not really go your way. Now what further you can do to protect yourself? I know it's easier said than do, but small changes make big difference. We have to stop accept high blood pressure as just one of them things there and start take charge of our health. Check your pressure regularly. You can't fix what you don't know about. Go to your doctor or clinic and check your blood pressure. Do this regular. Or get your own blood pressure machine and check your thing. Do it even if you feel alright. Now watch where you eat. We talk about this. Look daily upon what you are putting in your mouth. How much sugar and salt in the food? Start make small swaps, losing less seasoning or salt when you cook and try eat more fruits and vegetables. Less processed food, less cut out soda if you can, and all of them processed food there as much as they can. Some of them alright, but some of them extra. And the extra I push up your blood pressure. Move your body. Exercise not half expensive, you know. Walk around your yard, dance to some music, or do some squats while you're watching news. Get up from your desk, get up from your chair and walk around. Do some stretching right to your office desk. If you know you do something, you can stand up and do your work and still exercise. The key is to move every day. Track your habits. Make a daily log. Write down where you eat, how much you move, and how you feel. This will help you spot your bad habits and fix them. Ease off of the stress. Try to relax. Whether you read a book, you pray, you meditate, or just take a deep breath. Find a way for cool down when life get rough. As a society, we need to stop being reactive and be proactive. Stop waiting until sickness come in your doorstep to start deal with it. Start the conversations with your family and your friends. Check on your neighbor. We're all in this together and we can help each other out. We live longer and have a healthier, higher quality of life. Now the bigger picture, what we plan to do. Because if more people do their part in helping society overall, then we'd be better off. So we not just chat the chat, we are taught the chat as well. What we're going to do is do a number of videos that kind of help to give more information, especially as it relates to practical, affordable ways to help you manage your high blood pressure. From how we can make healthier meals on a budget to simple home exercise. We try. We want to show you say that it can be done. Jamaica, we deserve a better quality of life now, man. Tired to hear so much people say they have high blood pressure. Have to depend tablet, have to go to a doctor. You know, them quality of life just reduced because of this high blood pressure. So ease up on the reactive lifestyle. Not true. We need a society where value prevention and take care of them people. A healthier Jamaica mean a happier, stronger nation. Start make the changes today for yourself, your family, and for the future. That's it for now. We hope you found value in this. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, subscribing. We have more videos taking coming your way. Take care of yourself and each other. Stay as upful as you can. Blessings always.